Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Developers 2.0. So within this video, we're going to see a proper difference between JDK, JVM and the JRE. How exactly they work and what is the difference between them and how they come into the picture once a .java file is being compiled. Okay, so even I had written one blog over the Medium. You can have a look on that blog as well to get the proper understanding of the JDK, JVM, and the JRE. So I'll take the reference of this picture or the snippet. So we all know that JDK has been used by a developer. Like suppose if we are developing some program or the product within Java, so at that time we are going to use JDK. And JDK is a superset of JRE. JRE is a superset of JVM plus JIT plus libraries. So that's how they work. That's the actual difference between them. I'll create one paint. I'll open my paint window and I'll show you the difference. So what is an actual relation between them? So, okay. This is JDK, JVM, JRE, JIT plus library. Okay. So suppose this is my JDK. So this will be my JRE. And this will be my JVM. JVM. And this will be JIT along with libraries. JIT plus library. So that's the actual relation between JDK, JVM, and JRE. So JDK is in superset of JRE, and JRE is a superset of JVM and JIT itself, along with some libraries that will that been used by compiler, sorry, by a interpreter in order to convert our bytecode file into machine native language. So that we will see like what is bytecode file and what all things are there in the lifecycle of Java code. So I'll show you one example here. So I had created one demo.java file. I'll open this and I'll show you the code, like what I have written within this demo.java file. So this is simple demo.java file, which will going to contain a main function or the main method along with the main method. Like within main method, I had just printed hello world. So this is just an hello world program. So I'll just open my command terminal for this directory. And how will you confirm that is Java compiler is there within your machine or not? So in order to do so, what you can do, you can type Java C within your command terminal and press enter. The moment you hit the command Java C, you're going to get the list of functionality that can be used along with Java C. Okay, and also you can get the version, like what version you are using, Java C version. So within my current system, I'm using Java compiler 19.0.1. And the current Java version is Java then version. So my current Java version is 19. So we have seen that I have JDK installed in my machine. So I'm a developer because I have JDK installed in my machine, which will going to help me to convert .java file, that is high level program that we have written in demo.java, in order to convert this into the bytecode or the intermediary file. And how I'm going to do so? I'll show you a video like the more in order to convert my Java file, that is high level program, into an intermediate form, that is the bytecode. What I'll do, I'll just compile my demo.java file. Okay, Java C, then demo.java. So this will going to generate demo.class file. The moment I hit enter by typing the command java c demo.java, you have seen that demo.class file has been generated. And let's see what is there within demo.class file. So we have some symbols and some alphanumeric characters are also there along with some symbols. So this is nothing but in bytecode, because anyways we have symbols along with some character as well. So this is still the high level language, but which can't be understood by operating system OS, because OS understands 0, 1 language only. That is my binary file. So in order to convert this, my Java bytecode that we have just seen, which is there as an .class file, just in time come into the picture. So interpreter will going to load the Java bytecode, and it will interpret the object, like what all objects are there within this bytecode. And then JIT will going to come into the picture in order to convert my intermediary code, that is bytecode, into the machine native file, that is 0, 1 or the binary format file. And that all thing happens within the JVM itself. And JVM is there over the top of my operating system, and operating system is there over the top of my hardware. So that's how the things work. And the reason why do we have JRE in the picture, if we have JDK itself, who will going to do who will going to run our Java file, and who will going to compile the thing. So JRE is nothing but a superset of JVM and the JIT. Suppose we are not a developer, we are just a tester, and we want to run our Java code. So we're going to need the JRE, because JRE will going to contain the JVM and the JIT along with the library, which will be responsible to get the machine native language file using JIT along with the libraries. So we won't going to need JDK for the testing purpose, because JDK is something that will contain a compiler which will generate my bytecode. And for testing purpose, I won't going to compile anything, because I won't going to make any changes in the .java file. And JRE is an portable, like portable in nature, because Java is portable in nature. The reason is because we have JVM in the picture, like we have JVM in the picture, which provides a platform to run the Java file over the my operating system. So it is independent of, it works independently of my operating system. So that's the reason we have JVM, because JVM provides platform where the Java file or my program has been executed, and JRE is something which will contain the JVM and the JIT along with the libraries, which will convert my bytecode into the machine language, machine understanding language format. And JDK is something which will going to compile my high level code, that is .java file, into the .class file. It will convert, JDK will convert the .class file, sorry, .java file into .class file as in bytecode. Okay, so that's the actual difference between JDK, JVM, and the JRE. Hope we are clear with the proper difference between the JDK, JVM, and the JRE. Do subscribe our channel for more updates and hit the like button. That will definitely going to motivate me to post such video on the YouTube.